Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about the static methods and the static property as well as the constant keyword. So first starts with the static member. So here a data member that is commonly available to all objects of a class is called a static member, and this static method is a class method that can be called without creating any instance of a class. So let's see here in this program I am creating this class by using this static method. So in this I'm creating the class that is the name of the class is my class, and in the curly bracket, in this curly brackets I'm defining the variable 1, variable 2 with static public, and after that I'm creating the function that is get sum with the static public. And to get the sum of these two variable, I'm defining it is like variable sum equals to self, then double colon variable 1 plus self double colon variable 2. So here this self keyword is used to assess static property within the class. So here we are assessing this within the class, that's why we have to use the self keyword. So there is a difference between the this and self. So the this which we have used in the earlier program, that represent a instance of the class or object, whereas self represent a class, and this is always begin with a dollar sign, but self cannot start with a dollar sign, and this is always followed by a arrow operator, whereas this is always self is always followed by a double colon operator. So these are the difference between this and self. After that, in this get sum, I want to print this sum of the two variable is sum, the result of this variable. So after that, here I am creating here no object is created with this static method. So here I am defining, I want the output echo my class colon variable 1. I want to display the variable 1 and as well as variable 2. So this is the calling static method. So this is the way of calling these static methods. To call this function, this static function, for that we have to write the name of the class, double colon and the function name. So this is the way of calling the static method outside the class. So let's see how it will display in the browser. For that you have to go to run project. Here you can see that here it displaying the variable, two variables, variable 1 is 5, variable 2 is 2, and their sum of two variable is 7. So here here we have called the static property 1, this is the static property 2, and here we have called the static method outside the class. So it will display the sum of two variable is 7. So this is, in this way we can define the static members and static method in PHP program. The another one is to define the constant variable. So the constant variables are defined by using the const keyword. A constant is like a variable, but it holds a value and it look like a function because a constant is a fixed value. And here you can see that here I have created this class name as series, and in this I am defining the different subjects name with this series 0, 1, 2, 3, and with this I am defining that these are the constant value of these different subjects. And after that I am creating the static function that is subject, and here I am defining that self underscore gk. I want to get the output of this gk series, and after that I am calling this function by using the class name double colon then the function name close brackets. So now save it and let's go to run project. So you can see that it's showing the series of the gk. So if you will write here you want to get the series for English, so write here English and now save it, and now again refresh it. So it will give the series as 0 because this here we have defined these subject series with the constant keyword, and this value will remain constant throughout the execution of this program. So this is all about the static as well as constant keyword in PHP program. Thank you.